Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete unused app from your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for app management. So click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on app list. Then you have the list of all the apps you have on your phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the one you are no longer using. I'm going to simply select on this. And the next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click on uninstall. Adobe Photoshop Express. Do you want to uninstall this app? Simply click on OK. Simply click on OK. Uninstalling Adobe Expression, simple as that. And the app will be fully uninstalled from your phone. You can uninstall as many as possible unused apps to free up space on your phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.